cracking the code, mastering the in and ian suffixes in English. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of English suffixes, specifically focusing on n and ian. These suffixes are incredibly versatile and can help you express origin or material with a single word. So, let's get started. The suffixes n and ian are used to form adjectives. They're attached to the end of a noun to denote a relationship of belonging to or deriving from. Most commonly, they indicate a person's origin or the material something is made from. For example, Italian means from Italy, and wooden means made of wood. Pretty straightforward, right? One of the most common uses of n and ian suffixes is to denote origin or nationality. For instance, we say, he is American, meaning he comes from America. Similarly, she is Russian, means she comes from Russia. Some examples with ian include Canadian, meaning from Canada, and Australian, which signifies being from Australia. The n and ian suffixes can also refer to the material of which something is made. For instance, the word wooden means made of wood. Likewise, waxen means made of wax. The ian suffix used for materials is less common, but you might see it in words like silician, referring to something made of or resembling silicon. English is a flexible language and there are always exceptions to rules. In some cases, the ian suffix is used to refer to professions or adherents of a person or philosophy. For example, Freudian refers to the ideas of Freud, a famous psychologist, and Christian refers to someone who follows the teachings of Christ. And that's a wrap on the n and ian suffixes. I hope this video has helped you better understand their uses and how they can transform your English language skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each little step like this gets you closer to mastery. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.